Hello guys, Salamat berpusa di bulan Ramadan kepada Anda. Welcome back to my channel. Video about the Ramadan atmosphere in Malaysia, and we will go and talk with some people and ask about traditional in this month, and also we will go to the bazaar, one of the most amazing part of this video, and see what kind of food or dessert they have in this month, because I heard that they have some food and dessert that they cook or bake only in this month. Let's see this video together. Most mosques or masjid are so active in this month, and you can see a lot of people every moment here. They come here for reading Quran, for praying, for sahur, for iftar. And also in this month you can see in most masjid they cook a lot of kind of food for people who are fasting for their suhoor or iftar, and also they donate this food to poor people. Hello.
Already?
Yeah.
Very delicious.
Yeah, it seems so delicious. Beef.
Beef curry.
Beef curry. Beef curry. Yeah, the smell is so good. It makes me so hungry.
Another menu?
That
Chicken.
one.
Spicy. Oh, delicious. Very delicious.
Very delicious. Very delicious.
It's very nice. So spicy.
Now the time is 6 p.m. and iftar is 7:30, so you can see a lot of kids with their parents or grandfather, mother to come to the masjid to pray and learn Islamic rules and prepare for the future. Is there anything special during in this month in Malaysia? For example, people, what are you doing in this month, or
in Malaysia, right?
yes?
So I think basically we're same as other country, which we have Iftar Ramadan every day in I think in every mosque here, and also after taraweeh we call more. So I think basically not have any specialties or any difference than other country.
What is taraweeh? What is that?
Taraweeh. After taraweeh, after we pray taraweeh 8 or 20 rakaat, we go out for eat, and that we call more. More.
More is iftar?
No. It's after taraweeh. Iftar before taraweeh, before Maghrib. After, yeah. So if we want to open fast, if we call it iftar. But after taraweeh, after we pray for 8 rakaat after isha, we call it more, which the eating session called more.
Is there any special food or dessert in Malaysia that you can find only in
Ramadan? No, I think not, because but basically we usually eat kuih muih at more. But it can be found in any seasons.
And I think most people prefer to read Quran during this month. And is it correct?
Yeah. We usually doing a lot of what we call religious things like ibadah, read Quran, praying sunnah, and doing sunnah a lot in this month because we gain more pahala, we gain more benefits. And
okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Fasting in Malaysia is so difficult because here is so hot and the day is so long. For example, in Middle East countries, they have 4 seasons. In the winter, iftar is around 5:30, 4:45 p.m., something like that. But here is always summer. And the day is so long and iftar is around 7:30, something like that. So it's so difficult. Ramadan Bazaar is one of the most popular things during the Ramadan month for Malaysian people. People love to come here and do shopping or eat food, especially women and girls, because here you can find a lot of clothes, accessories, a lot of things. Now we want to go there and discover this area together. If you search on the map Ramadan Bazaar, you can find a lot of Ramadan Bazaar around your area because it is so popular. And also I have into here to the river, and also bazaar is here. The smell of food makes me so crazy. I want to break my fasting. No, I'm kidding. Now I know why most Malaysian people like to come here, because here is incredible. I will come here tomorrow to try most of them, and also I will take a video for you guys to watch what kind of food they eat during this month. Also, the price is so cheap. Most food is less than 5 ringgit, 4 ringgit, 2 ringgit, 3 ringgit, something like that. It means they are less than $1. They are so cheap. Also, you can find a lot of seafood. Hello. Hello. Malaysian people are so kind and they behave with foreigners so good. and friendly. Now we are so close to Iftar, so I should back to masjid because I'm gonna take video during Iftar. Ramadan Bazaar was amazing. You should come here and experience this atmosphere, and also you can buy a lot of delicious food for your Iftar.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Now it's Iftar time. It is one of the best moments for Muslim people. In this time they are happy not because of they can eat or drink. It is very holy time for them.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
I didn't take any video during fasting time because it's not polite, because people here want to have their private time and also they want to feel comfortable when they want to eat. So I didn't take any video, but the food was so delicious, and in the masjid was very holy atmosphere. And now we should wash our dishes and give it back to them. After eating iftar, most Muslim people start to pray. Now you can see most people that were eating food also came here to pray.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله.
Accidentally, I saw the educational minister of Malaysia here. She is originally from Nibong Tebal, and Malaysian people, especially Penang Estate, love her so much. Now you can see a lot of people are surrounded her here. Today was great, and it was a perfect experience for me. In Malaysia, Ramadan month is so holy, and you can feel a Ramadan atmosphere completely. In addition, people are so kind and friendly, not only during this month. Every time they are so friendly and kind, but in this month you can feel it more. In addition, you can experience a lot of food during this month. Some food are especially for this month that you can try them. In the next video, I will go to the Ramadan Bazaar and try them, and I will share this video with you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. See you guys so soon.